Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up DaVinci Resolve for Fairlight audio mixing, full guide step by step clearly. Open DaVinci Resolve. Create a new project or open an existing one. Go to the edit page. Import your audio files into the media pool. Drag the audio files to the timeline. Navigate to the Fairlight page. Familiarize yourself with the Fairlight interface. Select the track you want to work on. Adjust the track volume using the fader on the left. Add a new track if necessary by right-clicking the track area and selecting Add Track. To apply effects, open the Effects library on the left. Choose an audio effect from the Audio Effects section. Drag the desired effect onto the audio track. Adjust the effect settings in the Inspector panel on the right. Use the equalizer to enhance audio quality. Open the equalizer by clicking on the EQ button on the track header. Adjust the frequency bands according to your sound needs. For panning, use the panning knob located above the fader. Set keyframes for dynamic volume changes by holding Ctrl and clicking on the track line. To mix multiple tracks, ensure each track is properly labeled. Group tracks if needed for easier control. Access the mixer panel to view all tracks simultaneously. Use the metering section to monitor audio levels. Adjust track outputs and routing in the mixer. To export your audio, navigate to the Deliver page. Choose the desired audio format in the render settings. Click Add to Render Queue. Finally, start the rendering process by clicking Start Render. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.